Welcome to Kinfolks Knowledge.
Explain the types of coding? There are many types of coding, but here are some of the most common ones. Procedural programming. This type of coding involves breaking down a program into a set of procedures or functions that can be executed one after the other. It's often used in languages like C and Pascal. Object-oriented programming. This approach organizes code around objects that have properties and methods. This allows for greater code reuse and encapsulation. Languages like Java and C++ are object-oriented. Functional programming. This type of coding emphasizes the use of pure functions that don't rely on shared state. This makes it easier to reason about code and can lead to more reliable software. Languages like Haskell and Lisp are often used for functional programming. Declarative programming. This approach involves defining the desired outcome of a program, rather than explicitly defining how it should be achieved. SQL is a good example of a declarative programming language. Event-driven programming. In this type of coding, the program responds to events that occur in the system, such as a user clicking a button or a network connection being established. JavaScript is often used for event-driven programming. Scripting. This is a type of programming used to automate repetitive tasks, such as file manipulation or data processing. Languages like Python and Ruby are often used for scripting. Markup languages. These are used to define the structure and presentation of documents, such as HTML and XML. Query languages. These are used to retrieve and manipulate data stored in databases, such as SQL. These are just a few examples of the many types of coding. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of which type to use depends on the specific needs of the project. The end.